Hey, what's going on? So 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm getting ready for work, and this is what I do on regular days. This is what I do behind the scenes when I'm not driving like crazy and recording the videos. Alright, let's go make some money. It's still so early. It's like everybody's still sleeping. I gotta look around, and I don't wanna get jumped by the a chupacabra or a skinwalker or something. And we're here at the warehouse. This is where I come every morning, load my bags, and then from here I go and deliver every day the same thing. Alright, so I have these boxes over here, bags. This is when you guys order the packages, they come, get them, load them to my cargo van, and I go and deliver. That's it. It's pretty simple. I'm here by myself usually every morning, which is pretty nice. You know, you don't have to deal with nobody, you're on your own. And yeah, let me get to work. Let me fill up this cargo van and let's go for a ride. Boom, and that's it. Sometimes I have more, sometimes I have less, but that's about it. This is the money maker. It's my cargo van, Chevy Express. This one makes money, the other one spends money. The other one is the gold digger. So let's go fill up the tank and we're gonna hit the road. Let's go and deliver it. You know who brings you packages? Santa Claus over here. No, I'm not delivering, I'm just supplying the post offices, but I love my job, man. It's pretty easy. This is all I have to do. I load my van with some bags. I'm gonna go put some fuel on it and I'm gonna go deliver when I'm done going home. That's it. Alright, we're gonna feed the beast. This is what I do every 2 days. I mean, it's around $100 every 2 days. Now I already had some left in my tank, but this is what I spent. Alright guys, this is one of my stops. So what I do, just whatever I need to deliver, scan the bag, throw them in the metal box, and off we go to the next stop. So it's pretty simple, guys. The sun is coming out and what is it, like 8:30? I'm almost done with everything. Got 2 more stops to go, and I like this job. I mean, I love this stuff. This is what I've been doing for like the last 15 years, and I always prefer this over a day's job, or you know, sitting in some warehouse the whole day. This thing is, the faster you go, the faster you're gonna go home. So if you don't mess around, you'll get it done in a minute. It's probably around, my work day is around 5 hours a day, and this is what I've been doing for a long time now. This route is around 200 miles a day, and then I have like, you know, 25-30 miles back and forth 250, 260 miles a day, but still all you do is just drive around, you toss bags at the loading docks, and that's about it. I have AirPods, my cell phone. I usually play YouTube, listen to a podcast, or you know, whatever you wanna watch or listen to. But it's pretty simple and it's really easy. I'm almost done right now. I know a lot of you are like just waking up. It's time to go to work, and I'm going home. I mean, not yet, but almost. This is my second cargo van. This is a Chevy Express. It's a V6. It's kind of new. It's 2019, and I used to have same Chevy Express V8. That one was like burning fuel like a lot. But I had over 500,000 miles on that cargo van. I'm gonna post the picture right here. I took a picture when I crossed the 500,000. I still did like 10,000 miles over there. It was like 510, 515, I can't remember. But it was falling apart. I already changed 2 engines and and everything on that cargo van was replaced. So it was like, it was falling apart. It was time to go. So I got this one. So far, I calculate between the cargo van and, you know, all the cars that I have, how much I drove. It's around 1,000,000 miles. So I need a belt. I need a belt for 1,000,000 miles of driving. So I have a lot of experience. Don't mess around. When you see me on RS5 on the street, you need to know it's 1,000,000 miles over here, brother. Yeah, this is what it pays for everything. This is what it pays for RS5. RS5 is just sitting in the parking lot for fun when I want to go drive around, record, show off. And this is what I drive. This is my daily, a cargo van. This is what I drive to work and back. This is what makes all the money. This is what it pays for that RS5 gold digger. It spends money all the time, but you know, you're happy. When you sit in it, you start it, you drive it, this is what it makes you happy. But anyway, let me go and get these 2 stops done so I can get out of here. Go home and hit the bed again for like another 2 hours. And then I have the rest of my day. I'll be home around 11. We'll see. Okay guys, I'm back home. Kind of tired. I'm gonna go take a nap, wake up, go record more, edit my videos, or do whatever I want to do with my day. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, thanks, bye.